What's good, people? Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how we can get the eFootball 26 hack that will grant us free GP and free coins in eFootball. It will help us a lot. The World Cup is finally over. Now we can get all of those best possible players and just build our team. So let me show you how we can do that exactly. Okay, before we start the process itself, let's see if the eFootball 26 hack will do the thing for us and grant us the free GP and free coins in it. And let's just see it as soon as it loads up, of course, so you can see that I was fresh, but not anymore, guys. You can see the free GP and free coins all being added in eFootball 26, just like that. So now let me show you how we can get it for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for appspatch.com. On appspatch.com, we will just search for eFootball from here, guys. So type it, click on the icon as soon as it pops out, and then just wait it to load up nice and well, and we are good to go next. So we will enter our username, select the platform that we are on, and after that we will select the free GP and the free coins that we want to receive. So we will tap on the generate resource button and proceed further to the next step. So do not close this page, as we will need to continue this process, which won't take too long, 3 or 4 minutes at top, and it will be completed. So let's continue to verification, and you will have a step-by-step tutorial here on what needs to be done for the last step, but I will still guide you through it. So you will have two options. For example, you will need to complete 2 questionnaires, which will be the easier way. So just make sure to answer those questions, follow them up, and just answer them basically, and that is how you complete it. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps. For example, Travel Town Adventure, install and complete level 9 to unlock this content, or for Family Island, you will need to download and reach level 11 for this content to be unlocked. So make sure to read what it says from you in the description, complete it either with the questionnaires or the apps, and that is how you will get the eFootball 26 hack and get those free GP and free coins. Thank you so much for watching, people. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.